Recognized for 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ms. Fortin, as you mentioned in your written testimony, I too was inspired by the words of His Holiness the Pope, Pope Francis, that America is the land of dreams. And it's my hope that we can continue to be the land of dreams for small businesses and employees alike. It seems to me that the rights and protections granted by the National Labor Relations Act are part of that dream for millions of workers. Instead of focusing on ways to support working families, such as raising the minimum wage, strengthening overtime protections, or providing paid sick leave, this committee is again attacking the NLRA and the promise it offers workers to speak up for better working conditions and to better themselves. And moreover, I'm concerned that that H.R. 3459 is possibly going to strengthen the hand of franchisors vis-a-vis franchisees. Now, Mr. Harper, I saw you sort of reacting to this case-by-case questioning. Can you respond to some of what my colleague, Mr. Allen, was trying to get at?
I don't understand why folks are saying was real certain before BFI. I don't understand that because, Mr. Cole said, well, we didn't need any change in the law to plug the loophole for BFI. But we had two dissenters here applying the 1984 standard, and they're dissenting. They're not concurring under the BFI. And what was happening with the law is that it was just before the BFI decision, it seems to me, it was just eroding further, and the loophole was getting larger. And so what's limited and routine? What's direct and immediate? Those are standards which are not in the statute, for which we have no common law basis for limiting. It seems to me that the BFI standard is more clear. It's potentially broader, but this angst and fear that is out there, I wonder who creates that angst and fear. Is it the franchisors? Is it the large businesses who are whipping up these people and saying you've got a problem? They don't have a problem. But the franchisors or the BFIs who want to abuse the system have a problem, and they're whipping this up. They're whipping this up. I think they're responsible. They're lobbyists, and frankly, I have to say it, some lawyers who say, you know, you got a problem here with this opinion, you better hire us so we can do something for you. I think that it's the lobbyists and perhaps the lawyers who are whipping up this problem and creating fear in these small business people around the country. And that's sad.
May I add that the case-by-case